Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest innovations and tools shaping the tech landscape. I'm your host, and today we're uncovering the powerful capabilities of the GitHub MCP server, a model context protocol server designed to enhance and streamline interactions with GitHub APIs. So let's start with the basics. You might be wondering, what exactly is the MCP server? Well, it essentially allows developers to automate GitHub workflows, extract data from repositories, and build AI-powered applications that integrate seamlessly with GitHub's ecosystem. Just think about it. Developers can optimize their processes in a way that frees them to focus more on coding and less on repetitive tasks. Isn't that exciting? Now, to get started with the MCP server, there are a few prerequisites. You'll need Docker installed on your machine and a GitHub personal access token. It sounds technical, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it opens up a world of possibilities. How many of you are familiar with using access tokens? It's a way to securely allow applications to interact with your GitHub data. Digging deeper, the installation process can be done manually or through a one-click method if you're using Visual Studio Code. Super convenient. You can create a configuration file that lives right in your workspace, allowing for easy sharing with your team. Now, who here has struggled with configurations that are hard to replicate? This feature is a game changer. The MCP server is equipped with a variety of tools for managing issues, pull requests, and even repositories. For instance, did you know you can create a new issue with just a command? Imagine if you could have bots responding to issues instantly, streamlining your team's workflow even more. Let's talk about another cool aspect, code scanning. The MCP server offers functionality to list and retrieve code scanning alerts, helping you keep your codebase clean and secure. We all know how important that is, especially in collaborative environments. And if you're worried about language barriers or needing custom descriptions, the server supports internationalization options. You can override tool descriptions with a simple JSON file and even export translations. How neat is that? But you might be thinking, okay, but how does this all apply to me? Imagine a developer, maybe a newer one who's feeling overwhelmed with a massive project. With the MCP server integrated into their workflow, they could easily pull down the most critical data, manage issues, and even collaborate more effectively. It becomes a powerful ally in their coding journey. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with something to ponder. How might automation impact future development workflows as tools like the MCP server become more commonplace? Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Tech Talk Today. Remember to check out the GitHub MCP server if you're a developer looking to enhance your GitHub experience. Until next time, keep innovating and stay curious.